Alright everyone, today we will be testing the Simplex 4901 9805 horn. If you haven't figured it out already, this is the remote horn version of the 4903 9219 or any other Simplex 4903 mechanical horn strobe. Electromechanical, rather. Also, this is the same shell used in the remote speaker and electronic horn versions of the 4903 series. Mine is the mechanical horn version, as you can see by that coil. Get some look into that horn. Very beautiful horn. Whatever. So we're going to test this thing out in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, kind of sounds a little raspy. That's it. And to activate it with a pulse station, we have my original T-bar, aka the ADT 3403. Obviously, it still says Simplex on it, but ADT kind of did a rebrand here. Of course, this is the original pulse station I used to test the 9220. Actually, 2 years ago in January. Wow, I cannot believe it's been that long. So, let's pull it. 3, 2, 1. And just to prove it was an ADT pulse station, well, I kind of tried to show you. Anyways, that's going to be it.